Good life had that me a meds. No more running and hiding from the feds. Oh, if you make the money, yeah, that they pan me head. Me want buy me mother house before she dead. Me no want go back on a hell. If you go inhale no more prison smell. You see me?
I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers got the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah man, blessed love, blessed morning. Give thanks for the sunshine, you know. Yeah man, give thanks for another day. You know what I mean? If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. Give thanks for life. Happy birthday! It's your birthday. Enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it. Live it to the fullest. And that to put yes. You love your life and you're grateful for it. Look out for it, yeah? Happy birthday. Yeah, man. So we say give thanks to life, health and strength, and give thanks to another day. Shout out to all the people out there in the world. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up everybody. God will say, you see me? Even though we are a sinner. Is it? Yeah man, Friday morning. You know what I mean? On my way to the gym right now, just do the school run. So I don't know, I do my thing already. You know? Big up everybody on the platform. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. As I say, your support is highly appreciated. I will keep it real on the back of field. So while on my way to the gym right now, we are talking about Vybz Kartel and drop a freestyle. Big up Vybz Kartel and Sean Sam of the year. Kyra Jones, everybody, you know. What is to be will be. You know, I've been covering the hearing and I give my views and opinion and try to deliver it unbiased. So when I say, I'm the man of peace, you know. Yeah man, so I don't know. What is to be will be and we shall see. But for now, the DPP, they're in shambles, they're all over the place. So when I say, and we can see the smile on Kartel face, you know, and Sean Stam face, yeah, because I don't know on the Kartel alone. Kyra Jones are, you know what I mean? Yeah, so the judge says if witnesses cannot be found, there's no point sending the order in a retrial. The witnesses have to be contacted and found and in agreement to come and give witness again. And for me, that's gonna be derailing, challenging, you know, fearful for the witnesses them, you know. I know in these time and days nobody want to check with their life and you know what I mean. So let's see what's gonna happen with viewers and subscribers. So if they fail to provide the witness or find the witness, Kartel them can be out for Father's Day. You never know. When I was just a little lad, I asked my mother, where is my dad? She hugged me and replied, son, your dad died. As she consoled me, she cried. Father song, you know? Yeah, man. So anyway, yeah, man, Kartel them can be out for Father's Day, you know, if the DPP fail. You know, the court was adjourned, the hearing was adjourned yesterday, therefore, until today. And the Judge Justice Marva Bishop, you know, McDonald Bishop, said if no witnesses cannot be found, no point sending it back to for a retrial or in a retrial. And if it was supposed to go to a retrial, is they don't know the taxpayers them money, the state have to go fund it. I you know a whole heap of money that again and one long thing, you see me, but again, let me say it again. You know me always I say it. If Kartel come on road or not, it won't affect me. But if him do come on road, it would be nice to see them reunite with them families. Prison never make for dog. Yes, I say. But again, if you do the crime, you do the time. Innocent until proven guilty, guilty until proven innocent. Yes, I say. So the main factor is stay away from crime. Badness not pay. And once you mix up, you're going to get fixed up. Jailhouse or dead house. Is what I say? But yeah, Kartel is a talented artist, you know, very gifted, very influential, you know, but it's just sad to see him end up in this predicament, done so many years behind bars. All of the time wasted. And again, being around the wrong crowd and, you know what I mean? Resulted in that. You see what I say? Yeah. So you don't know. We are waiting and see what go on. You see what I say? Big up the whole Kingston 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see what I say? The whole Jamaica, as a matter of fact, stop the crime and violence. Beer knockings and clappings are going on and beer people are drop. You see what I say, my viewers and subscribers? It's sad, man. Sad, you know? Sad and shocking, so. I'm going to drop a freestyle. Well, not a freestyle, it's a song. My advice for one Dan. But the Dan deceased now, you see me? Yeah, and they send me already, man, my voice is song. But the Dan passed away still, you see me? But I'm going to revoice the song. I get the rhythm remake and voice about the song because my advice the song here to try to uplift them. You see me? Yeah, and they love the song too. You see me I say, but the man, you know when you're done, you're not going to live long. You see me I say? Yeah, so I say, see if I can remember I said, no for them way I run off them stinking mouth. Me I leave them to time. Who knows better do better, them can't draw me out. Me I leave them to time. Them I run off them mouth and I act like them bad. Me I leave them to time. I know some afraid that them are semi-covered. Me I leave them to time. Me make a promise say me done with prison. Me I try to live like a decent citizen. Me take a oath say me nah commit no more crime out a road or in a me garrison. Thank you God me bust the court case. No more gun in a run or in a waist. I just the pound and the US me a chase. No boy can draw me out for you top the place. No, them can't make me pick up back no gun. Them can't make me pick up back where me put down. Them don't know me unruly, and my head hotter than the sun. Them feel glad say me a try change my ways for me daughters and me son. Enough of them way a chat off them stinking mouth. Leave them to time. Who knows better do better, them can't draw me out. Me and leave them to time. Them a chat off them mouth and I act like them bad. Leave them to time. And not some afraid that them are semi-covered. Me and leave them to time. Good life had that me a meds. No more running and hiding from the feds. Oh, if we make the money yeah, that they on me head. Me want buy me mother house before she dead. Me no want go back on a hell. If you go inhale no more prison smell. You see me? Money over where that me say star. Like me too Dan Foodman and Michelle. Oh, them can't make me pick up back no gun. Them can't make me pick up back where me put down. Them don't know. Yeah, man, so if you don't hear the message in the song, you know, I tell you them say, yo, when you come out of jail, change your life, you reform. No one is perfect. Everyone make mistakes. You see me? And my viewers and subscribers, more to share, send me a video, yeah, please. Yeah? Send a message. Send it around. You see me answer? Share to a friend, to a friend, to a friend. I make the youth them know say, yo, when you come out of jail, change your life. You make the man dry out and boots you. If you go fire a shot on the corner. And then you go back in the jail again. You never did the road for 1 month. You go back in the jail again. Or you just come out of jail, you're dead. Because man, I wait for you. You come out of jail for bust off your head. You see me? I say we born in a garrison life and we see it and we know it, you know. You see me? Yeah. You know? We see it and we know it and we walk from it, we stay far from it, you see me? Yeah. So, a blessed love, man. The world awaits. The world awaits to hear, see the court decide cartel fate. You see me? Again, as I say, what is to be will be. You know what I mean? That's life. Hopefully if them come on road, them can change them life and stay away and avoid from being around people, certain people, because we don't have too much people around. Some of them have nothing good for influence and encourage you to do, you see it? So I don't know, big up on myself, you know, I chat too much. I'm going to the gym right now, my time I run sharp. You see what I say? Yeah man, I'm going to burn some calories and I want pull some weights, huh? Big up on yourself. I'm the man of peace, Lion Foot. Remember, share the video, please and thanks. Blessed love.